In this video, we'll be talking about creating an ingredient mix, which is a grouping of other ingredients that makes it easier to apply to a meal on our menu. So to get started, we'll come to our ingredients page and click Add Ingredient Mix. And we'll go ahead and give this a name. In this case, I'm creating a special sauce, and let's just say that this is a sauce that I use with a lot of my proteins, and I also provide it with side dishes like French fries. I'll go ahead and pick a unit type. In this case, since it's a sauce, I'll choose volume. And when I create this, I create it a gallon at a time. So the ingredients below make up 1 gallon of my special sauce. So now I'll come to add new ingredients. I can also add an existing ingredients. In this case, I'm starting fresh. And just for an example here, let's say that this is a half gallon of mayo, half gallon of ketchup, 2 cups of relish, and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'll go ahead and click add. That will automatically pull those ingredients from the database and build out this ingredient mix for me. Now I'll simply click add ingredient mix, and now that's saved in the system. When I'm viewing my ingredients page, if I want to view only my ingredients mix, I could flip this switch down here to show ingredient mixes. As of right now, I don't have any prices set for that or the sub-ingredients, and I don't have any quantity required because we just created it. Now, how do we apply this special sauce to a meal? Super simple. We'll go back to our menu, and I'll choose one of our items, such as the beef patty. And when I'm adding my ingredients, I now have the option to add an ingredient mix. I'll choose my special sauce and click add. And now I can let the system know how much of this am I going to add. In this case, I'm giving them 3 tablespoons. And it'll automatically do the math for me of how much of each I need. And of course, my nutrition facts will be updated with the new item.